Hey there, welcome back to Clear Water Chronicles, and today we're wrapping up our three-part AquaDoc pool chemical series. And this third step is all about that final finish. You've already stabilized your chlorine, you've knocked out the algae, and now it's time to make your pool go from just safe and swimmable to that pool party absolutely sparkling look. And that's where MAV AquaDoc's Natural Clarifier is going to come in. I want to thank MAV AquaDoc for sponsoring this video and sending me the water clarifier to use in this series. Even with clean water and all your levels balanced appropriately, sometimes your pool water just looks, well, bland. And that's usually from small particles that your filter just can't catch on its own. That's where this stuff comes in. It clumps them all together into bigger pieces that your pool filter can actually handle. Think of it as like the final cleanup pass that really makes the water sparkle. It's great for that freshly open look, or right before a party, or in my case, right after I just did a big cleanup with a lot of algae, and I still have some of those dead algae particles floating around in the pool. Even though they're dead, they're still floating around in the water and causing the water to be a little cloudy. Now, I've already cleaned my filters and made sure my water was balanced. All you have to do with this is just pour it in near a jet. The dosing is simple. For a maintenance dose, it's going to be 1 ounce per 5,000 gallons. If you have very cloudy water like I do, because I just did a treatment, then it's going to be 2 ounces per 5,000 gallons. So I have just under a 20,000 gallon pool. I'm going to use 8 ounces, which is 2 ounces per 5,000 gallons. I'm going to be able to split that dose up between my jets. So I have 2 jets. I'll put half the dose on my deep end and half the dose in front of the jet that's on the other side of the pool. They conveniently put the dosing right on the container. So I'm going from 32 down to 24. I'll put half of that dose in on the deep end of the pool, and we're just going to put the other half of the dose right in front of this jet. And from here, all I do is let the pump run overnight. Notice I said run, not walk, just like in the last video. If you have a variable speed pool pump, you'll want to put it on high, because it's all about filtering as much water through the pool as possible at this point. You want to get those clumped up particles into your filter, and the most effective way to do that is just to run it as much as you can. And if you're using cartridge filters like I am, then you're probably going to see a lot of that gunk in those filters the next time you clean them. I recommend cleaning them 24 hours after you do this. And if it's about time for your filters to be changed anyway, this is really a great time to do this. And just to touch on a couple of frequently asked questions about this product, is it safe for all pools? Yes, it's safe for all pools. Saltwater, chlorine, above ground, in ground, fiberglass, plaster, vinyl, it doesn't matter. It's plant-based, biodegradable, it's non-foaming, and it won't leave any weird residue. Another question is, can it be used with other pool chemicals? You certainly can. It's absolutely safe. And it actually works best right after stabilizer and algicide, just like what I did here with my pool. Now I'll come back after several hours and show you the final result. I love that AquaDoc keeps this simple and natural. It's free from parabens and doesn't add any additional metals or phosphates to your pool. It's just a nice, easy, gentle way to finish off your pool care routine without messing up any of your pool chemistry. Less than 24 hours later, we're back to crystal, sparkling blue water. And that's the effect of the clarifier. If you're trying to go from clean to crystal clear, this is the step that really makes the difference. I've got affiliate links below. If you shop from those, it doesn't cost you any more, but it does help support the channel. So thank you very much if you do. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching Clear Water Chronicles. Be sure to like and subscribe if this series on some of AquaDoc's pool chemicals helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.